Hello viewers, I am Wasim Raza from Italy and you are watching Globbal Tv. From Karachi to Kashmir, the Christian community celebrated Christmas by lighting up trees and holding special prayers. Glittering pine trees, Santa Claus, and stocking are part of many people's ideas of Christmas, but the holidays can look vastly differently around the globe. On 25 December 2021, the day started with special prayers in churches and homes were light up. Here is how the occasion was celebrated in Pakistan. President Dr. Arif Alvi, Prime Minister Imran Khan, and Chief of Army Staff General Qamar Javed Bajwa wished the community, wishing all our Christian citizens very happy Christmas. The premier said security was deployed outside churches across Pakistan during the prayer services. The day started with special prayers in churches and houses were light up with colorful lights. Here is how the community marked the celebration. There is complete freedom for religious activities for the minorities in Pakistan. The law bound Pakistan to enforce the rights of its people, especially minorities who are supposed to be equal citizens of Pakistan, to the freedom of belief and religion and to give them equal rights of defense and religion. Take care till next. Happy Christmas.